What's up? Welcome everyone. Good afternoon. I was gonna say good morning. I'm used to saying good morning to all my members in the morning whenever I'm logging in to go ahead and do stream. But welcome everyone in YouTube land. I feel like it's been forever since I've done this because I was last week I didn't do this. I was out in Hawaii enjoying time with my family. It was my grandma's 80th birthday, so we're out there celebrating, having a good time out in Hawaii. So I appreciate you guys being patient while I was out there and we did not have streams, but I am back, ready to rock and roll, get some streams in. I do want to do a little bit of housekeeping here, just to let you guys know. Wednesdays during power hour, so from about 1 o'clock my time, which I believe is 3 o'clock market time, I will be going live on YouTube, just reviewing the day, going over some trades, and just talking crap. Maybe I'll start doing it, maybe every day. We'll start seeing what we could do to build a little bit better, bigger audience here, get more content going and everything. But so we'll see how that goes. But promise you, it's going to be more interactive, and also there's going to be a more consistency out of me as well. I do promise you as that. Second part is I didn't even I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We trade primarily derivatives and options of the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, things like that. We also trade small caps, playing with the paper towel thing. We also trade small caps. We also trade crypto from time to time. Anything that is going to make us a little extra money here, guys. And I also, I guess, founded or own the Trade Factory, which I'm in right here. You guys can see this is the Trade Factory right here. We need more computers, as you can see. The supply chain is kind of sucks. So we're waiting for more computers to go ahead and to come in. But pretty much the Trade Factory is done, guys. We got everything in here. We got traders that are already signed up in here. We got the bar stools. We got PS5 going. We got gym memberships. If you're a member of the Trade Factory, you get a free membership to the gym. Top Golf membership, like you go play Top Golf whenever you want as well, dude. I we got a full kitchen and everything as well, dude. This place is popping, as my son would say. It's bussin'. Um, so yeah, founder of the Trade Factory as well. If you guys could like and subscribe, share this video here with us, guys, so that other traders could find value in this as well. Let's see right here. So like and subscribe to the video. I would definitely appreciate it. But welcome everyone. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Dude, yeah, Kevin, we need to see you. What's going? They have you out in like Afghanistan or something. I hope you're staying safe, bro. I remember they deployed you or something out there, right? Or to like Africa or something. So um yeah, I hope you're staying safe and everything, bro. So I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Like it's kind of me and my people that are around here and everything are um we've been kind of just reflecting on just even the Trade Factory, um how far it's come, and we've been reflecting on just the overall growth as a trader and just everything, man. It's super humbling. uh Never we were just talking right now, me and my girl right now, when I was taking a little break, and we were saying, when we met each other, we met when I was actually working at T-Mobile. I quit my job at T-Mobile to become a trader. I asked her, I was like, do you ever imagine, like, when I said I was going to be a trader, I was going to quit at T-Mobile, that this would all come from it? And it's just, it's crazy, man. Just, it's crazy. So I got an awesome team, awesome people to support me. I appreciate you guys so much. um so yeah, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I just kind of relaxed, got over jet lag over the weekend, got some more work done in here. I'm feeling good to go. I'm excited to get to trading tomorrow, and and just move forward, man. I'm excited to start seeing how far we could push New Age Wall Street and the Trade Factory. See how what limits it kind of has, and start pushing it um to the heights that it deserves. So, but with that here, guys, we will start looking at some tickers and stuff here if you guys want to. Let me take a look. There it is. All right, so here we are taking a look at the futures from that just opened at 1600 my time, which would be I think at 1700 Eastern. We're a little bit gap up. We're showing a little bit of strength, bouncing off of the view up right here. This 440, 442 is where we're having resistance as far as right now. 440 should definitely act as our support going forward for at least the beginning part of this week. So that's what we're looking for going into tomorrow. And then especially with the little dip that we had here over the last few days, looks like we may start coming to try to take out these highs. Any specific cryptos? No, dude. The cryptos are kind of the crypto market's kind of slow right now. There's not much going on right now, dude. Just wanting Ethereum to dip lower, and I'm trying to buy as much Ethereum as I could, and that's it. Not necessarily. I don't see anything that is absolutely catching my eye. I saw XRP as well, but nothing right now in crypto is making too much sense. So what I am excited for on the crypto end is that it seems like the crypto miners have kind of given up on that, and the GPU prices are starting to come back down. So, dude, I spent like almost $3,000 on my GPU for my computer. So I'm pumped that the GPU prices are starting to come back down again, because there's loss of interest in it again. So yeah, we'll see. Um, we have a community crypto geek crypto guy in our chat room. He posts all his stuff and everything. He's a little bit more into it than what I am. I just play like kind of the safe things, the safe ones. And then I also get tips from like some other friends on some pumps and stuff. But I did make quite a bit of money on Ethereum Max when that got pumped, MILF Coin, on those ones and things too. So um, but yeah, so gapped up here on a Sunday night here with on the ES go up. If you guys have tickers, or you guys want me to go over tickers for the week, let me know. I'm just gonna go over like a couple plays and go over some stuff for me. Um, some plays here for me as well. So the first one is going to be Nvidia. So Nvidia showing a lot of strength yesterday, and we have like this big distribution flag pattern that's going on after the what's up, Steven? We got this big flag pattern that's going on right here. So this distribution, and had this awesome monster day right here on Friday. We closed at highs, and we stayed really strong in after hours. So I'm looking for either like a gap up, or stay around the same area, because this 208 is going to be the all-time highs too. So 208.75 is all-time highs for Nvidia. So I want to see this really start taking off. Maybe like a 220 type resistance on this one. So that's a main one that I'm looking at least for the beginning part of this week. And then I'm also looking at Mrna. So I've been playing the crap out of this Mrna lately, and this showed some pretty decent strength on the bounce on Friday as well. So we had a little bit of a gap down and then bounced up on Friday, and I could get a little bit closer on this, where you could see. So resistance came down, got back up here to the lows, and then we closed pretty well. They're using this liquidity right here at the pivot, and pushed up in after hours. We're looking pretty good for maybe another push up towards the 400. So this is what I have my meeting with my members in the chat room, in the New Age Wall Street Discord, and this is what we were just talking about, the move here on Mrna next week. So I want to see this push up to the 400 and play that open interest on the 400 right here right here. So there's 4,200 contracts that are stacked up so far on that open interest. So if we start rejecting the 400 again on the push up on Monday, so tomorrow, and maybe even a little push up above that, we don't have enough demand to keep on moving it up, I will start either selling premium or buying some puts for it to stay under 400 until the end of the week. So that is my play on Moderna. Now, one thing with this I want you to keep in mind is that Pfizer has their FDA approval. They have their FDA approval tomorrow, which we got to kind of see if Moderna is going to move in sympathy with them, or if it's going to move inversely of them, which kind of detaches since they are competitors or what have you. So that is something I'm going to be looking at for in the morning as well. Okay. And then the next one is just Tesla. So Tesla, always a nice mover, guys. Always can make a paycheck on this. So The thing about this is that the implied volatility on this is getting really, really low. And so, this isn't. So Tesla right here. So the implied volatility is getting pretty low on this. So the premium is getting pretty cheap on on Tesla, excuse me, and making it pretty affordable. And if we catch a pretty nice move on this, the delta on our premium, it moves very, very quickly, and it's very nice. So that gamma sensitivity is very, very nice. Now with that, we had this bounce off of the 650, right, which was like on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we came up with tested above 690. Still no dice here. If you look at the open interest at that 700 right here, there's 19,000 contracts stacked up there. So I'm looking for that resistance at 700, maybe even a little pop above it, and then play the downside off of that resistance on that as well for this week. Okay. URI. What kind of company is this, bro? What are you thinking about on this one? United Rentals. Is this what go along with like the infrastructure bill and stuff? Oh, this is in a little nice downtrend right here. This little. Kind of like that. So maybe a pop up above 330 for it to stay above 330 and break out of this kind of channel for this to kind of move down and then up. I don't see too much of a play on this one though, to be 100% honest, other than that kind of the breakout out of this channel. So this 323, 325 area is definitely support. So that's where you'd want it to stay, is that 325 ish area, like right here. So where all this volume has been done, because you could see on the macro side, right here, if we once this loads and zooms out. Oh my goodness, what happened? There we go. So all that volume interest is at this 325. All right. Awesome. Nice to see you guys. For you guys that have been here for your first time, guys. Also, oh, I forgot the other thing. If you guys want to come and learn to trade options, you guys want to learn about the open interest, how to play those on, towards the end of the week, just add to your playbook. Our lifetime membership is only $249 right now. If you scroll up, the link is right there. So if you want to sign up, it's only $249 for the lifetime. Dude, you make that on your first trade with us, maybe even your first week. So absolutely. And then SYK Striker. What did these guys do? All right, wait for this to load. I'm still kind of just analyzing here real quick. Give me a second. Oh yeah, Ronnie. Ronnie's a active member in our chat, guys. So, absolutely, man. We have a library with like tons of indicators. Library with our setups. I live stream every day, kind of just like this. Call out trades. We do member only webinars twice a week. So yeah. The thing to note on this that I'm really liking here on the bigger time frame is all these bottom wicks. So anytime it dips down here towards the 250 or what have you, these bottom wicks right here are there are definitely dip buyers whenever this comes down. So I like this hammer candle right here, especially from this is from last week, right? The week before last. Awesome hammer candle right here, very bullish. This is a kind of Um, this is a nice candle right here, but we would like to see it get above this 265.50. That's going to be your main point of interest of that 265.50 in order for us to stay bullish and keep on going up. But I like this as well because now this is starting to show what we call compression right here. So this is starting to show this lack of volatility. And so whenever you get the lack of volatility, you get that expansion move, which usually is a breakout for a really nice move to the upside. So I seen somewhere in here someone move their analyst rating from 288 to 300, and I agree. So I agree 800 is gonna, or excuse me, 300 is gonna be the magnet on this. So once it gets above these levels right here, so then you have 268, 270, and then 275. We'll start working our way towards 300, but that is on a very, very macro time frame here, bro. So you want to make sure that you're giving yourself some time if you're playing options on this, okay? Make sure you're grabbing some monthlies. Cool. Good, nice call out on that one. Pinterest, pins. Dude, I'm so jaded on pins, dude, because I took a pretty nice L on it. But let me see. This is looking real head and shoulders like right here, dude. So head, shoulder, shoulder right here coming down. Now we're at the support towards this 50 right here. So I think I might have been even calling this out in our chat this last week or so, because one of our guys likes playing like kind of like a double bottom type play. And this is what it's almost like right here off of the 50. It closed at the 53 where this area is. So if we could close tomorrow above 55, I would say, and get kind of a reversal candle in here to the upside. I like this to at least get back up to 60 or so. So to get that bounce up. Now, what you don't want to happen is this bounces up to about 58.60, and then we start putting in like a consolidationary range to the side, kind of like this. You know what I mean? So like if I get I don't know where my tools are, but if it just consolidates and goes sideways. Cool. Yeah, you guys have any other tickers you guys want me to go over? If not, I'm just gonna start doing like my own little prep here to look at some stuff and kind of build my watch list for the week. So if you guys just want to come, oh, you said another one, LVS. Is this what's Las Vegas Sands? Yeah. Bro, what happened to this thing? This thing is going down to the suelo, bro. Definitely in a buy zone right down here, bro. I can't, let me see if we could get this further up. Ooh, man. So we're looking at this on a like 20 years back. So you're looking back like right here all the way to, this is 2011 right here. We could even go further than that. Let's see, let's go max. Yeah, so you see where this is a buy zone, right? You could see that it's bounced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times right here around this 35 area. So right now it's at 37.55. We may get a little bit further. It kind of bounced a little bit, but we may hit some resistance and come back down to the 35, test 35, and then move up. Now, if we start showing that strength and some volume up here, and that is actually the bounce that we have so far. So if it already started bouncing off of the 36ish area, then absolutely, like as long as you have your stops in place down here around this 36.50 or so, if you want to start moving this to the upside, then great. I don't know, that's purely technical, purely chart reading technical. I don't know what's going on fundamentally with the ticker, because this thing is beaten down a lot. So it's, I don't know why this all happened, but definitely in a buy zone if it is going to bounce in this area here. Okay, I don't. Yeah, just COVID concerns. It looks like mostly. Yeah, just COVID concerns mostly. It looks like so. Absolutely, dude. Especially if you're buying equities or longer term leaps or something. Absolutely, dude. Especially towards the 35. So, I would maybe not get full position here in this area, and then if it does dip, you could add and then continue going. But yeah, I mean, even as a mean reversion here due to like 42, we're due for at least a little bit of a dead cat type bounce here on the macro. You know what I mean? So absolutely. Let's see, trip. Nope. BA. Nope. SPC. SPCE is so cool because of how small of a ticker it is and how much it actually moves. I mean, look at this move on. Oops. Let's look at the daily chart. So on Friday we moved high of 24. Oops, 24.86 to 24. That's not the best day, but right here, this is 25.63 to 24. So it looks like we're starting to put in some support here at 24. So maybe we'll start curling back up here on this SPCE now. Dude, snow, bro. I got molested on this thing so much. Man, I just left it alone. I really love this setup. I love the compression right here, and you know, for off of this bottom that was going on, and for it to stay above 280, and it just does not like it, and it's a thin mover. It sucks, dude. So I decided to just leave it alone. I'm not going to trade it no more. I took more than my fair share of licks on it, so just gonna leave it alone, man. Maybe if it gets towards 300 and over 300, and we get some like a parabolic type, you know, big move, then absolutely. But other than that, no. Awesome, very nice. This is a really nice right here. This is a really nice hammer candle off of it on Friday. It looks like so. Yeah, look at this bounce. Look at this bounce right here, bro. Very, very nice. Absolutely, man. That's it. So snow. Let's we can look at airlines here real quick. I should short the hell out of United because they lost my bag and left me without chones in Hawaii. Dallas. Love. Nope. RCL. I like this one a little bit right here, guys. So the CCL holds support at 20, and then for us to start curling up and get above this, where this previous support acted as resistance at 25. So I'll set an alert here when it starts like breaking like this area right here. JetBlue. Nope. Nope. None of these here. So Apple, the thing about Apple, I think, does anyone know when the Apple event is for the new iPhone, when they're supposed to announce it and stuff? Um, I don't see it. So I don't know when it's supposed to be announced. But the thing I want to talk about is that Apple's been very, very bullish. It did get over that 150, right? So the 150 here in this area, and it got freaking smashed once it got over 150. We talk about the open interest a lot, like, you know, acting as resistance on tickers. And Apple is one of the most liquid tickers that is out there. So at this 150 here, there's 52,000 contracts that are lined up here, and then even more above that. So it's a big difference between what's at 150 and 149. I do not believe they will allow Apple to close over 150 for the week. They will not allow Apple to close over 150 for the week without a catalyst. So we need we need that iPhone catalyst and maybe something more in order for us to get over that 150 and continue going. And I would love to see that for us to get that move. Until then, anything up towards that 150, I'm going to use that as resistance to get that downside move. So that's my plan on that. Netflix has been really strong. This thing is not the same trader that it used to be like a few years ago. It's still trying to get to this area. Let me see. I put an alert right here. So this whenever this move does get up here and it does move around above this 556 555ish area, though, you could see that this is huge compression right here, right? So big compression right here on our TTM. We have our cross move to the upside. We just got to get above the 555, maybe even 570, and start making that move to press up. But ever since they kind of did the split and they raised a lot more money to compete with like Disney Plus and all that, it just hasn't been the same trader. So, but whenever we do get this breakout, I will be looking at that on this Netflix as well. On that, Snapchat, I've been playing every once in a while. This kind of lackluster here. Any type of push up towards the 80, I think I'm gonna get downside on it. Let's see, Facebook. I was talking about Facebook putting in like this head and shoulders. So head, shoulder, and then shoulder area right here and come back down towards the 340. Still trying to look for that to happen on the macro. And then Roku. Nope. And then, oh, I think I went over the Nvidia here, guys. This is one of my main looks that I'm looking at for this week, is the strength that Nvidia showed on Friday. This big move up, and we're pretty much at all-time highs. All-time highs is 208.75, and then profit target at 220 on that. All right. That's it pretty much, guys. On let's see. So watching Fubo, Roblox. Oh, Roblox is a really nice one. So RBLX. I did see this. It's starting to kind of go sideways right here, right? So if you look at more kind of like that, so putting in compression like sideways, they put in this base. I wanted to break over this 85, and I'll even put I'll put an alert right here. Okay, so over 85 on this breakout to start moving to the upside. I do like this move here on this Roblox as well. So want to see this now that it's kind of come down, put in this base, start breaking out, trying to make this move back up to 90, and then break this resistance right here, and then 100. So I would like that. And you said Fubo? Haven't seen Fubo in a while. Fubo. I don't really like this one. No, I don't really like this one here, bro. Never mind. I do see what you're saying. So right here, like kind of like at this base, it's putting in the same base right here to start curling up. I actually do like that. So we'll see if we could get some volume momentum coming in for that. And then let's see here. Okay. Pennies play. Okay. I kind of like this McDonald's on the macro right here, guys, for it to break above this 230, stay above this 238, and start making its move up right here. So like right above 240, get above this and start going to 245. So I'll put like a alert here too on this McDonald's, and then Starbucks. Yeah, not much going on here either. So Usually the market starts picking up after Labor Day, guys, which I believe is not this weekend, but the weekend after, right? So I believe that will be um, when things kind of pick up. We get more, more runners and things too. So gambling. So let's see, DKNG. Oh man, I like this DKNG right here, guys, on this bigger time frame. So it's trying to hold this 50 now. You got this compression. You got your cross going on. See if we could start making this move up to the upside right here on DKNG. So I do like this one too. Put in that one. Pan Gaming. One of my guys was playing this like a week or two ago. Trying to put in the support now. It needs more time. GNOG. Oh damn! What happened here? Yeah, it looks like earnings was good for Golden Nugget, and then MGM. Not much going on there. And then we just had the financial sector last here, guys. So banks have been tearing it up. Banks have been awesome. So JPG or JPM, excuse me. Yeah. JPM. Cool. Awesome, Kevin. City. Nope. Visa. PayPal. So on this PayPal, we're at a decision area right here, guys. So you could see where in the past it moved up, and then we had this volume gap, which it came and closed the volume gap. Use this area as resistance now, and now we had the downward play off of the earnings, and then this is acting like our crossover play here. This 280 acting as resistance, and then we may get this move down towards like 260 or so. We got this doji candle right here. So any type of little like pop up here on this PayPal and rejection of 275, 280, I will look for more downside on this PayPal as well. SQ. This thing is does madre, bro. Yeah, there ain't much going on in there. That's it. Those are pretty much all the ones I have, unless you guys have other smaller cap things that I'm not really looking at. I'm not really looking at too much anything else. Ooh, this coin might be pretty nice. Yeah, so coin putting in a pretty nice base. It's already tried to take out this 280, but came back right here, and then see if it can start pressing up a little bit more. And then PLTR I've been also keeping track of. This needs to get above 25 and stay above 25. UPST. Oh, and then Etsy. So Etsy had a really strong day. Friday, guys, back up to 200. On the macro here, we got the sideways action. We wanted to stay above 200, get back to 210 and continue moving up to. All right. That was a lot. Was there anything else you guys want me to go over? Anything? All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great trading week. I appreciate you coming and hanging out with me. Hopefully, if you guys make money from any of my callouts, Nvidia, Mrna, Tesla, dude, tag me in them on Twitter or in the Facebook group, anything like that. I want to see them. Share them with me. I want to celebrate your wins with you. All right. Also, one thing I did forget is that if you go onto my Twitter as well, we're giving away a computer. So a complete replica of my computer. So same exact thing as a 3060 Nvidia GPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, Ryzen 7 in it, Republic of Gamers freaking motherboard, 1 terabyte memory, pretty much best of the best of what you could get as far as computers and for you to be able to trade with. So don't miss out on that. Go on my Twitter, and then you could sign up for the giveaway for my computer as well. Not my computer, but an exact build, exactly the same of it. And then, like I said, guys, if you want to scroll up, we'd be happy for you to join. Lifetime membership only $249. That is just going to be for tonight. Tomorrow it's changing. When I put up the new website tomorrow, the price is going to change. It's going to go up pretty significantly. So if you're on the edge, dude, $249, you know, for you to learn a different strategy, you know, for you to make some more money. I promise you, within the first week, you will probably make your money back. So even if not your first trade. So again, appreciate you guys coming and hanging out. I love, you know, seeing you guys coming, hanging out on the live stream on Sundays. We will be more consistent. I'll be doing it on Wednesdays. I'll update you on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter so you get the updates of when we're going live, and then Sundays as well. And then tentatively, whenever I can, any other days if I'm just here and not doing anything else. Okay. Any other questions? You know, it doesn't have to necessarily be tickers for the week, but anything, you know, just trading related, you want to, it's like Gucci on clearance, but Gucci's still Gucci, but cheaper. Yeah, dude, bro, no one has the value that we give for $250, dude. Come on, bro. No one has that type of value anywhere. Dude, I just can't say enough of what we have to provide. And I'm more, so with the price change, just to let you know, I'm more into building a bunch of killing machine traders. I want to have quality over quantity. And we have a solid group of guys right now that we're trading with, guys that are turning out, you know, 5-figure days consistently, you know, almost every day of the week. And, you know, everyone trades a little bit different and different instruments, maybe more small cap, maybe more other things. And so we all have value for each other. So we will start, you know, raising those prices to make sure, you know, that value stays with us and everyone is getting what the attention that they deserve in the chat room. So, all right, guys, I'll let you go. Gonna go enjoy the rest of my evening. I hope you guys have a great trading week. We'll catch you on Wednesday on the live stream. All right.